First, we will observe what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a combination of best processes and practices to ensure the security of network, computer, program, data, and information from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. Now, in today's world, the role of a cybersecurity is very important because many cyber attacks we usually observe with our mobile through internet, through uh, personal use of a laptop, and all other things. That's why security against all these attacks is very important. Now, what is vulnerability? Vulnerability is any kind of a system hole that one can exploit to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data or inject malicious code. Means, suppose we forgot to update our system, either our computer system or our mobile, then a system hole will be created in this system, and because of that the hacker can easily attack onto our system, and this hole is called as a vulnerability. What is computer exploit? If our system has any hole or any vulnerability, and if attacker performs the attack, then it is called as a computer exploit. In a computer exploit, one that takes advantage of a particular vulnerability of the system. Now, why exploit is created? I have already explained. If we are unable to update our system or mobile phone at that time, the exploit will be automatically created in our system. What is payload? Is a simple script that the hackers utilize to interact with hack system. Means payload is a one kind of a software which can be installed by the hacker in our system to perform the successful attack and to take the control of our whole system. And after taking the control, the hacker can delete the data, can modify the data, can upload the data, everything he can do with our system. What is social engineering? Social engineering is a process of extracting sensitive information by trick. Means suppose you got one friend request on Facebook or any other social media, and somebody asks you to give your social information like your address, your phone number, then if he or she will be a hacker, then we can say that this hacker performs this social engineering attack by creating a friendship relationship with you. Now, to understand the basics of a cybersecurity, there is one course which is given by EC Council USA, and this course is called as a Certified Ethical Hacker, and it is a qualification obtained by demonstrating knowledge of accessing the security of computer system by looking for weaknesses and vulnerabilities in target systems. Using this knowledge, after learning the certified ethical hacker, you will start thinking like a hacker, and you will gain the knowledge of a system, and you will come to know how the attack perform and how we can mitigate this attack and secure our system, network, or any mobile phone. This course has a 125 questions and a 4 hours of a multiple choice exam. And this course provides you the global certification which will be valid for 3 years. Now, why you need to learn the CH? CH means Certified Ethical Hacker. So, if you have an interest in understanding the weaknesses and vulnerabilities in a system, network, or a website, then you should learn this course. By understanding these weaknesses, vulnerabilities in any system and a network, the malicious hacker can lawfully or legitimately access the security posture of a target system. CH credentials certifies individual in the specific network security discipline of ethical hacking from a vendor neutral perspective. So in this training, I will teach you the complete certified ethical hacker course and also some of the additional knowledge required for a cyber security field. You should learn this course if you have a following desire. Suppose you want to earn money by hacking other system, then you should learn this course. Suppose you want to develop your career in a cyber security domain, then you should learn this course. Suppose you want to learn various attacks and threats to the digital information, then you should learn this course. What are the benefits of learning the CH certification or cyber security? If you learn cyber security, then you will come to know the various risks and vulnerabilities in a target system or networks. Also, by doing the CH course, you start thinking like a hacker. If you are already working professional, then your existing salary will be boosted, and CH will improve your social impact also. And at the last, you will earn by providing the security to your nation. Which are the job roles for the certified ethical hacker? If you learn this course, then you will get the various jobs like information security analyst, information security manager, cyber security analyst, security consultant, vulnerability assistant and penetration testing tester, information security engineer, security architect. Bug bounty. Also, you can perform the bug bounty after learning this course. Now, what is bug bounty? There are some of the websites like we can say that Bugcrowd, Fire Bounty, HackerOne, Bug Bounty, Hacker Proof. These websites provides you the chance to find the vulnerabilities in various big companies. You should find vulnerabilities in their database, in this company website, in this company application. And if you find the vulnerability in the online manner, and if you report this vulnerability to this particular company, you will immediately get a good amount, which this amount varies from $100 to $1,000 and $10,000. And this amount you will be gifted for each and every vulnerability you will find. Means suppose if you find 10 vulnerabilities and all the 10 vulnerabilities are severe vulnerabilities, and company already published that for severe vulnerability company provides you the $1,000, then you will automatically receive the $10,000 through your PayPal account. So this is the use of a bug bounty. So after learning this here, you will also understand what is bug bounty, and you can perform the bug bounty by sitting at your home. Main attraction of this course will be, I will teach you Android hacking, Windows hacking, Wi-Fi hacking, penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, password hacking, cryptography techniques, steganography, browser security, mobile security and malware security. And all these things I will teach you in a practical manner. This course will have only 20 to 30% of a theoretical part and a 70 to 80% of a practical hands-on training. And also during this course and after this course, you can contact me at any time if you have any difficulty regarding this course. Now, once I need to show you real-time attack scenario. With the help of this website, I can show this to you. Suppose I open this threat map. I'm going to open this website and you can observe the real-time attacks in a day-to-day life in all over the world. You can observe here the live cyber attacks you can observe. So here you can observe that the United States doing the attack on Mexico, Netherlands doing the attack on Thailand, and in this way you can observe various attacks. Now the yellow color line shows the less vulnerable attack or less dangerous attack, red color line shows the very dangerous attack. On the left hand side you can observe the various types or various names of the attack. On the right hand side, you can observe top targeted countries in all over the world for a cyber attack. Now here Nepal, Mongolia, Indonesia, Nigeria and India, these are the countries which are susceptible to the most of the cyber attacks. Now here we can observe the attack in the United States. So if I click on this link, then you can observe 0.7% attack are happened by banking trojan, 2.9% botnet and etc. In date today, total 5 crore 76 lakh 57 lakh 69,000 attack has already performed. Okay, so this is the complete count of a cyber attack you can observe here. As this much of large attacks, cyber attacks performed in our day-to-day life, that's why it is very important to secure our system, our network and our mobile phones through these cyber attacks. Hence, cyber security professional is very essential in today's world. Now we will see ethical hacking is locating the weaknesses, vulnerabilities of a computer and information by duplicating the intent and actions of a malicious hacker. After this course, you will become an ethical hacker and you will start thinking like a hacker and performing the various attacks, but hacker performs this attack without the permission of its owner, but you will perform the attack with the permission of owner, and that's why these attacks are called as ethical hacking attacks. Now, which are the types of a hacker? There are three main types of a hacker: black hat hacker, white hat hacker and grey hat hacker. Black hat hacker performs the attack for a financial gain purpose and its intention is wrong. White hat hacker has a good intention, it performs the attack for a desire help to the business and passion of finding the holes in a security network. Grey hat hacker performs the attack for a personal enjoyment purpose. So during this course, you will a grey hat hacker. After completion of a course, you will become a white hat hacker and you will understand the complete weaknesses of any system or a network. What are the phases of a hacking? There are total 5 phases of a hacking. First phase is gathering the information. For performing any attack, first you should gather the information of a target system or a network like IP address of a target, IP address range. Second step is scanning. Before performing the attack, you should scan which are the network ports are open, which system is running on a target, which operating system is working on a network. So this is called as a scanning step of an attack. The third step of ethical hacking is exploitation. In this step, you take the advantage of weaknesses and loopholes in a target system and you enter into the system. The fourth step is maintaining access. After getting the access of a system, you try to maintain the access for the complete attack time. Covering tracks. After gaining the access, after maintaining the access, you have performed complete attack. Now you should remove all the evidences which are produced because of your attack. So clearing of evidences due to the attack is called as a covering tracks. It can be done by clearing cache, cookies, by tempering log files, close ports, stop services which are activated during the attack. Thank you. This is the complete demo session.